Welcome. If you want to find hidden apps on the lock screen and the menu in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, you can do this in the two ways. So at the first, you can make it by typing and holding the home screen, then go for settings and then choosing the hide apps. So when you are here, you can see that I hidden two apps, YouTube and YouTube Music. And of course, that's how you can find it. And if you want to back them to the home screen, you can just unselect, but you can also find it on the second way. Let me hide it, and then we have to go for the menu and then tap on the search pool, and then we have to input the name of the app that we want to find. So as you can see, I hide these two YouTube apps, and we can simply open them and find by using the search pool. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.